Down to the cathedral.
This one is really famous for being important by the for the Baroque time, like being built at 1530, 1535, and they had 20 years to pull this up, but they did not. The Zapotecs and the Mixtecs were not the people of this land. Yes and no. Like they were around this territory. All the things that is downtown right now was a small village from people that. Okay. And
this is agave.
Popular because it has lots of small flowers. The last name that the royal family in that moment was Moctezuma. Like they became in a new family with the values of one Spanish family. So yes, Moctezuma, that was the name of the king, became the last name.
In a old church right now. There's all gold all around. It's like royal.
Okay. And you mix them?
So I'm having nache. It's kind of like a shave ice sorbet in terms of consistency. This is good. Area. Bathroom. It's a bakery. We are going to try the grasshoppers. It's like there's chili on it. You can see.
Garlic
Okay.
spicy.
Spicy, picante. I'm here in the market today. I'm going to do some shopping. So far, we have purchased some grasshoppers and like spicy grasshoppers. And now we are looking for some clothing, some ropa y vestido. So I'm gonna look for a dress and some clothing. There's lots of leather and suede shoes. So far, I have seen many beautiful shoes and handbags. Yeah, why not? Passion fruits. Passion fruits.
¿Cómo están las cremas?
¿Así? Sí, eso señorita, por precio.
So I'm having a vegetable mole. This mole sauce is way better than the one in the jar. So these are my bots. I like the fresh guanabana. I like the fruit in general, but this is just a herbal kind of tonic or herbal medicine. I like both, but the fresh guanabana is good too, like just to put in smoothies, eat on its own. This is some mezcal. Coconut. It's like chiclet one. This is mandarina. And And this one is mocha, so the coffee. They had different types of coffee ones, but we decided to get the mocha. And this is the grasshopper I had shown you guys earlier. The grasshopper, it has chili. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit picante. These are some peanuts, cacahuate, and then this is some dark chocolates, cocoa beans kind of thing. Cocoa beans, yeah. So we got all of this in the market. This is some black bean here. This is a tamal of vegan vegetarian tamale. No meat is in this. Then I have some hot sauce, if you're wondering what that green stuff is, some hot sauce. Then I got some nopales, grilled veg. This is green onion and some pepper, grilled pepper. And it tastes really nice. It has a lot of flavor in it. Altogether, you know, as a vegetarian or vegan, you can find stuff, which is great. So I'm gonna have my dinner and enjoy it. The nopale tastes really nice. And there's also some tomato, because it was grilled vegetables. I showed you the grilled vegetable section, so we got that. We got all this vegetables from there. This is some of the pepper. It's very spicy. There was a green one in the bag as well. And tastes nice. It's all grilled vegetables, like kind of barbecue style. I need some almond milk because of how spicy everything is. But it's nice.